Alright, YouTube people, so I'm gonna be showing you how to do a maintenance wash. So for those of you that don't know what to do, stay put. I'll show you how. So like I said at the beginning, this will be a maintenance wash, so keep that in mind. Let's start the vacuum. And on all new vehicles, we usually start by dusting the interior with compressed air. Then we go ahead and remove all trash. Anything that's not trash, we put it in plastic bags so that nothing gets lost and you can give it back to the customer. But honestly, this one didn't need it. We keep it fresh, plus the customer is a pretty clean person. By the way, shout out to Donna. So in the trunk here, make sure to use a brush. Really comes in handy. After all, that's what customers appreciate, all the little details. So continue to do your thing. As you can see here, we move the seat forward so we can get in there really good. So it's time to add some conditioner to the leather seats. This is pretty good protection for your seats, so make sure to always apply it. You can also apply it to all the rubber, seal everything. And here we do the rims real quick. Since this one is a clean vehicle, we don't need to go to the extremes. Moving on to the front bumper, you have to make sure to use a lot of lubrication so that way you remove any chances of lightly scratching the clear coat. So guys, as you continue to work on the front, do your best to remove as much bugs as you can, but keep in mind, some of them you won't be able to remove as they have damaged the clear coat and it's probably now too late to get it removed. But hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and stay connected. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so that you don't miss any videos we upload. So, we continue, we proceed to do the same thing on the windshield. Try to remove all these bugs. That is definitely a problem here in Florida. Again, focus on the bugs and try to remove as many as you can. So remember, when washing a dark paint, it's always good to wash it panel by panel. And if there is two of you, one can be scrubbing and the other one rinsing. That's a really good tip to avoid any micro scratches. So drying the car from top to bottom, starting with the windows, always making sure to use microfiber towels. It's always a good idea. Now we touch up the rims real quick and make sure there is no water dripping. So with that, guys, we can now proceed to do the windows, and we are now one step closer to finish this beauty.